Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're reviewing an exciting AI tool for content creators and digital marketers. It's called Faceform Warrior by Todd. If you're into faceless content, short-form videos, or looking for a budget-friendly way to scale your content, stick around till the end. Quick overview. Faceform Warrior by Todd is an AI-powered software created to support faceless content marketing. It's an ideal tool for content marketers, freelancers, and small business owners who rely on digital channels to promote their brand. Problem it solves. This tool solves a real problem: time and effort. Video creation typically demands planning, filming, editing, and publishing. With this tool, those steps get compressed. All you need is a single image. The AI handles the rest. You can ride on viral trends, repurpose content, and create realistic avatars for your videos. Key features. What makes Faceform Warrior stand out? It transforms videos using just a single image. It generates perfect lip-synced avatars from still images. You can re-edit old videos by typing what you want to change. It swaps faces in both videos and images using just a single image. Pros and cons. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. Pros. You can upload videos up to 1 minute long and 200 megabytes in size for transformation. You also get 30 seconds of face swap video generation. A 30-day money-back guarantee is included. Cons. In the basic version, avatar scripts are capped at 250 characters. Also, there's no built-in social media integration. You'll have to upload manually. Pricing and offers. Pricing is affordable. The commercial version is $17. Enterprise is $27. Pro is $37. And the unlimited usage plan is $97. During the first 7 days of launch on Warrior Plus, there is an additional $3 discount. A link to that offer is in the description. User feedback and ratings. User feedback is mostly positive. The software has an average rating of 3.5 out of 5. Users rate the interface and ease of use 4 out of 5. The avatar and face swap features also score 4. Value for money is solid at 4 out of 5. An important bonus: the commercial license is included in the front-end purchase. Final verdict. Buy this software if you're a beginner looking to simplify your content process without spending much. It's a great way to experiment with faceless marketing and boost your content production speed. Skip it if you're an established brand or business. While it's convenient, the shortcuts could harm brand credibility if used too often. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, consider subscribing for more honest reviews, digital tools, and content tips. The download link and discount offer are in the description. See you in the next one. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.